Alright guys, back. Gonna start working on this tonight. Gonna work on it. I'm gonna be painting some parts inside the car. I'll show you what I'll be painting. So I have this wrapped in carbon fiber, wrapped it about 4 years ago. The wrap's starting to come undone. So I'm gonna take the door panel off, take this off, and we will be painting it to match the car. Yep, and I'll show you everything step by step on how I'm gonna do it. Possibly be wrapping these in suede here, give it a better look. These are outdated already. But yeah, we're gonna get at it right now, guys. Door panel 1 off. And you can see that's the original color of the car. And just for everybody out there, the car is not wrapped or dipped. It is straight paint. So you can see, I did a whole full cut in when we painted the car. But yeah, first door panel's off. We got it, guys. Now, just gotta do the other side. Alright guys, driver's side's done. As you can see, painted. I'll be sure to do a full walk around of the car, show you the process from day one when we started the body work. The car didn't have too much body work, it's just minor dents, but I'll make a video showing the process of paint when we had it in the shop. That way you can see how much work it was to do a complete paint job. Alright guys, let me get started on taking the door panels apart, get them ready for paint.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, got it off. We'll be taking this wrap off tonight. Maybe look into wrapping this over again. Get all this ready for tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll be doing the painting aspect of it. Should only take about an hour tops. We don't run into no issues, but yeah, that's it guys. Catch you in the morning. Alright guys, day 2. Gonna start taping this up, get ready for painting. My cousin came by, we installed some door speakers, Rockford door speakers. Put their channel in the link below. Follow them at Baggedandslambros. So yeah, we'll get at it, guys.
Hi guys.
Speakers sound real good.
Tires are standing out. The cooler pigeon toe. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Just got it down with some fine line here, and then put some tape on the outside. Now I'll mask it off all the way. Alright guys, got the parts primered, lightly scuffed it with a light gray scuff pad on both of them. So they're ready to go for paint. Base coat I'm using a Toyota black, and this is Cromax. Using base maker, high temp since it's hot outside. That'll dilute this. This is going to be 1-to-1 ratio on that. Then I got the clear down there. That's my clear coat. My activator right there. That's gonna be 4-to-1 ratio. But yeah, I'm gonna get at it right now. I'm gonna shoot the base coat, and then I'll show you how I get the color of my car on these parts. Also got my roof spoiler primer. That one's ready to go. That one's that's gonna be black, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the sun, if it does any justice, but the black has some of the pearl that's the color of the car, so that's what I'm gonna do. Shoot some black with that exact same pearl that's on my car on there to match it to my roof. Alright guys, black base coat's on, flashing right now. Also got the roof spoiler over here. She's sitting up, drying up real nice. Yeah, we're gonna do the clear next. Got the gun set up right here. Alright guys, got the clear in here. Chroma base 4-to-1 ratio. Went to the 3 and then the 3. Also added the pearl. It's gonna give it the effect. You have to do a black base coat in order to get this finish. But yeah, should look good when I'm done with it. My little man just saying hi to the camera. But yeah, I guess this is gonna end up being the color of the car, since I kind of screwed up mixing the pearl in right here first. And this is all the activator I got, and I'm out. But it's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it now.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, all done. The plan was to keep this black, but I went ahead and painted it since I made the biggest mistake in mixing the pearl into the clear before spraying that clearing it first. Got the other handles over here. Yeah, nice and wet. I'm gonna let these sit up right here. Let them dry, tack up a little bit, and then I'll move them on to the sun so y'all can get a better understanding on how this thing's gonna pop. Because I mean, it is crazy. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. Got the rides out here. Wifey just washed her car. Gotta wash mine, rinse it off. They cut the grass, so got a little dirty. Alright guys, here's what it looks like in the sun. Got them right here, just let them dry, I'm gonna let them bake outside, and later on tonight or tomorrow I can start putting it back together. I don't want to rush it. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Color just pops in the sun. It's crazy. Yeah, it matches the interior pieces. Also got the spoiler up here. Just got to get some double-sided tape, retape the bottom. Yeah, I was gonna do black, but like I said, I put the pearl in a little too early, so I end up having to paint it to match the car. But yeah, can't wait to put this sucker on. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have more stuff to do. Got my cousin coming in, bringing his Accord. Put a lip kit on it today. But yeah, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys.